when we say indigenous people of Biafra, we are not the only ones that are indigenous people. There are also indigenous people everywhere in Nigeria. So it's time for us to begin to work together. We have come up with a lot of things. But a lot of people will ask us, look at this book, for instance, Biafra or Nigeria Presidency. What do Igbos want? What the Igbos want? This is one of the publications of the movement of Biafrans in Nigeria, led by its chairman, Barrister Emeka Siri. When you go through this document, we've been able to articulate this, at least as a position of the indigenous people of Biafra. We have a number of other documents and approaches on the way we want to approach this. We don't intend attacking the Nigerian state. One mistake a lot of people make is that whenever they discuss the Biafran matter, what comes to their mind is war and destruction. Circumstances led the late General Emeka Ojukwu